Just an update of my cassette player that I've built. I just added the spectral display to it, which is currently blinding when it's running, so I have to have it off currently. But this is what it looks like so far, and I will turn it on now, just a second. So with the display on, you can see the reflection across the room. It's absolutely blinding. It can be seen in full daylight conditions. Oh, it's actually playing backwards right now. You can see that the bass drums are going up. Oh, actually, it's at the beginning of the first song, so it'll switch directions anyway, so. The song's at the beginning right now, and any moment it will stop, and then it'll start to play it forwards. There we go. There we go. Now it's playing forwards. Yeah, it's just completely saturating the camera because it's so bright. Yeah, I'll see if it's a little better if I back up a bit. It's a little better. I'll back up some more and see what it looks like from a greater distance. But yeah, it's just ridiculously bright. This display doesn't even show the entire frequency spectrum, it's just showing the bass frequencies. That bar on the far left is tuned at about 10 hertz. Or actually, it's probably closer to 30, and that bar you see on the right I think is about 400 hertz. So it's basically just the low end of the audio spectrum. So it's... Here. There's a wire that I can disconnect, and it should, and it'll darken it. Here, let's try that. Just a second. It's, as you can see, a lot dimmer now. The camera's not saturating anywhere near as much, so that's nice. As you can see, there's a few burned out LEDs. They were actually faulty LEDs that never worked when I originally built this thing. So I'll explain the different parts. Obviously these bars are the spectral display that I custom designed on Easy EDA. Obviously you've got the tape drive system playing the tape. You can see how fast the tape is running. I run my tapes faster to make better sound quality. This is the power amplifier that I'm currently just using as a headphone amp. And underneath, there's two... Oh, you can't even see it, but under the tape drive system I've got two preamps. So there's actually two that are identical. This is the second one. The first one gives the cassette tape its proper sound using I think it's called the NAB filter. And then this second one is another filter that actually boosts frequencies under, I think it's about 120 hertz, because cassette tape players have a massive high-pass filter effect to them, and this counteracts it. Obviously, like I said, that's the headphone amp. This board here is the battery protection for the lithium batteries. The lithium batteries are underneath the spectral display. Yeah, it's pretty amazing. Oh, the song is over. Oh, this is actually the second song starting. Let's turn it back to full brightness again. It's probably going to be too bright, but yeah, the camera just completely saturates. I'll try backing up again. It's pretty amazing. Oh, the black corner there is actually the headphones that I have disconnected right now. Wonder if there's a... I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna try putting a piece of paper towel over the display. And it should knock down the brightness Oh, darn it, I'm just ripping it to shreds. Just a second. That definitely helps a bit. Even with the paper towel, it's still super bright. You'll notice that the way the camera is recording it looks almost kind of choppy. But seeing this thing in person, it's very, very, very fast and not choppy at all. It's pretty neat. Well, that's the end of the third song, or second song, but that's basically it. So, just in case anybody is interested,